A Cleveland woman fighting to get her pet bird back. She claims her family gave her emotionally supportive parrot of 10 years away to the Cleveland APL. Gabby Hart has the details.
And this woman says that she was going through an incredibly difficult time, so she made the brave decision to check herself into the hospital to get back on her feet. But when she got home, she discovered that her cherished parrot of more than a decade, along with her other exotic animals, well, they were gone.
Simon can only really say his name. Hello, Simon. Hello, Simon.
This is Nora Melton, known online as Nora the Explorer. For years, she's been a passionate advocate for exotic animals, showing off her prized possessions at local schools, zoos, and aquariums. And she says Simon, her eclectus parrot, has always been right by her side. He's even the mascot for her business.
He's bonded to me. He's basically my boyfriend.
Their adventures documented online stretch back to 2017. Over the past decade, Nora says a profound emotional connection has grown between the two, a bond that she fears is now in jeopardy, and she's worried.
When birds are stressed, they destroy themselves. They pluck at themselves, they cause themselves harm due to stress.
Recently, after a tough breakup and feeling overwhelmed, she went to stay with her parents. Then, feeling that her mental health needed attention, she sought help at a hospital. When she returned, she was told that someone had given her bearded dragon, hairless guinea pig, and snake to a friend. But Simon was gone.
A hit in the chest.
Nora says she soon learned the bird was taken to the APL. She rushed to the APL this past Wednesday, but discovered that Simon had already been transferred to the Parrot Hope Rescue in Manawa, Ohio. Despite numerous calls, she says the response was a single devastating text
Saying there was nothing I could do. The bird was rehomed.
19 News reached out to both Parrot Hope Rescue and the Cleveland APL. The APL confirmed that Simon was surrendered by someone claiming his owner was deceased, and that the person signed legal documents asserting authority.
I'm a living, breathing owner of this bird.
Parrot Hope Rescue also responded, stating they considered Simon abandoned and saying, quote, "We place Simon with a loving family, and unfortunately, we cannot entertain claims of prior ownership." Despite these responses, Nora is desperately fighting to get Simon back, fearing that her time seeking help has cost her their future together.
He is more to me than anyone and anything right now. If I do not get him back, I don't know how to feel.
In Cleveland, I'm Gabby Hart, 19 News.
Now